Bog svima, velika vijest. Ja sam danas prošla pola puta, znači da sam prošla nekakvih od 409 do 412 km. Nadam se da vidite ovaj prekrasan zalazak sunca što se vidi iza mene. Ovdje večeras spavam. Našli smo se u ovoj prekrasnoj oazi mira, kako ju ja zovem. Prekrasna priroda, prekrasno mjesto, prekrasan hostel. A sad imam nekog ko će vam još nešto reći. Ovo je moj prijatelj Brian. Bog Brian. Hi Brian.
Hi there. My name's Brian. Yeah, I'm from Scotland, and I'm walking the Camino for my daughter-in-law who has terminal cancer. I came here alone to walk this, but I've met so many people, and I realise now I'm not alone doing this. And she, in her state where she is, knows that she's not alone, and people are thinking of her. So I'm thinking of all you just now. So please believe me, you're not alone.
Thanks Brian. Bog svima.